Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about Kdump and SOS report, understanding and the difference between Kdump and SOS report. So, in the world of system troubleshooting and debugging, Kdump and SOS report are the well-known tool. But what set them apart? In this video, we'll explore the fundamental difference between Kdump and SOS report so you can determine which one is better suited for your need. Kdump captures information about the system when it crashes, while SOS collects the information of a running system about system hardware, configuration, and running processes. Kdump focuses on gathering information about the kernel state when a crash occurs. After crash, system is getting reboot, and SOS offer a broad range of diagnostics information including system log, package information, network configuration data. Understanding the difference between Kdump and SOS report is essential in troubleshooting and debugging system issues. So depending on what you need to diagnose and fix, one tool may be more appropriate than the other one. We'll take a closer look how to use these tools and their limitations and their advantages in this video. By the end of this video, you will be having better understanding of unique capability of Kdump and SOS report and which tool will be right for your specific need. We often hear the term Kdump and SOS report in the Linux world, but do you know what's the difference between Kdump and SOS? So if you are looking to enhance your system troubleshooting skill, make sure you watch this video on Kdump and SOS report difference and understandings. Kdump is a kernel crashing dump mechanism. It captures snapshot of the kernel memory when the system crashes, which can be used to debugging purpose. On the other hand, SOS report is a command line tool that collects information such as configuration file, logs, and system performance data. Kdump is mainly used for analyzing kernel crashes and identifying the root cause of the crash. Whether SOS report, on the other hand, is used for general system troubleshooting such as identifying the performance issue, detecting configuration error, and analyzing system logs. Both are useful tools and can be complement each other. If your system crashes and you have crash dump enabled, it can provide useful information to help troubleshoot your issue. After you have used Kdump, you can use SOS report to gather more information for better understanding of the crash. So there you have it, the difference between Kdump and SOS report. SOS report is generated when system is running. Kdump we have to enable in advance. Whenever system crashes, we will having the kernel snapshot. So for troubleshooting, we can use both. If your system got crashed, read the crash dump, kernel dump, then you will come to know what's the issue on the crash. And once system came up after reboot, you can run SOS report to check is that issue is still there or not. And you can use both the tool in the same system. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.